Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. And if you're anything like me, you are a slow drinker, but you hate drinking tepid coffee. Well, you don't have to worry about that with this amazing mug and mug warmer set. Is this not the cutest thing you have ever seen? Bgbg has made this coffee mug warmer and mug set that is just absolutely adorable if you are a cat lover. And it is this great 14-ounce mug that has the cutest top and spoon with it. And most importantly, in my opinion, is this hot plate. It will help keep your coffee warm all day. It has an 8-hour auto shut off. So if you don't want to be scared that you're going to forget to shut it off, don't worry. But also, it has three different temperature settings to help keep your coffee perfectly warm. I think this makes the perfect gift to give to someone who is a cat lover and loves having a warm drink. And if that person's you, then you need to get one. And that is my point of view.